I-44 bridge rebuild project was a $31.5 million reconstruction and replacement of 19 bridges along Interstate 44 between Springfield and Joplin, one of the heaviest traveled corridors in the country for freight traffic and a popular commuter route. The ESS proposal included replacing 13 bridges and rehabilitating 6 more than any other contractor proposed. Although there was a rehabilitation option on several of the bridges included in the RFP, the team's industry experience and expertise contributed to the decision that rehabilitating those bridges was only a short-term fix. They committed to building their budget and scope to include replacing as many bridges as possible. That would in the long term save MoDOT years of maintenance and replacement costs.